I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fruit salad diet. A well-prepared fruit salad is a fantastic addition to any healthy eating plan. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, helping to nourish your body while keeping calorie counts low. The natural fiber in fruits promotes good digestion and helps you feel satisfied, which can be a huge advantage when you're trying to manage your weight. Plus, the natural sweetness can curb those sugar cravings. When selecting fruits, aim for a vibrant mix of colors to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Fresh, ripe, and seasonal options will always taste best and offer peak nutritional value. Consider including berries, which are rich in antioxidants, along with citrus fruits for vitamin C and hydrating melons. Remember to avoid canned fruits packed in heavy syrup, as these often contain excessive added sugars that can undermine your diet goals. Proper preparation is key. Always wash your fruits thoroughly before dicing them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures every spoonful is delicious. Try to combine fruits with different textures, like crisp apples with soft berries, for a more interesting experience. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice not only brightens the flavors, but also helps prevent some fruits from browning. You might also add a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra fiber. To keep your fruit salad truly diet-friendly, portion control is essential. Even healthy foods can contribute to excess calories if consumed in large quantities. Opt for light, natural dressings, such as a simple splash of citrus juice or a few fresh mint leaves, instead of sugary syrups. This salad can serve as a refreshing snack or a light meal replacement. For freshness, store your prepared fruit salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.